Honey's Food Hill. I'm so glad to have you back in today's video. Today there's not gonna be any cooking. I'm simply going to be showing you my new kitchen machine, which I'm just going to be unboxing right away. So guys, I have this new stand mixer that just came into my kitchen. So this is my new addition, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Oh my god, this looks so heavy. Okay, so it came in red. I was actually looking for black or white, but since I didn't get any of that, I decided to go with the red. Okay, this is the release knob that helps in opening this. And here is the mixing bowl and all the tools that came along with it. And this is a 5 liters bowl that is suitable for a 1000 watts machine such as this. Since I'm not going to be baking anything much, this is just suitable and it's perfect for my simple and small bakings. And you know why I love this? It's a stainless steel bowl. It's not gonna break even if it touches the ground, but that doesn't mean I'm not gonna be careful. I'm really going to be careful when I'm using this, so this is really great. So this Trick Master stand mixer came with a 6-speed control switch, which you can see right here. And we have this main attachment like the dough hook. This dough hook is used for kneading dough, especially when you want to make your cake or bread. This is really perfect. Instead of having to use your hands, you all know it's really tiring using your hands. It requires a lot of muscle, especially if you are going to mix the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes. So this is really helpful. And we have this flat beater. This is also used for beating soft dough or light batter. And another name for this is the paddle beater. Okay, this is quite useful. And we also have this egg wicks that came with it. This is used for beating egg and also for whipping your cream. And because it has a plastic head, it can be used for heavy batter. It's just for light liquid. Let's try fixing this to see how it works. So we have this hole here, so you just need to turn this a little bit and allow it to hook. Once this little pin comes into this hole and stays without moving, it means it's been stabilized. And let's test the flat beater. And for the egg wicks, let's see how it works. So you can see all the attachments are working perfectly well. And lest I forget, this came with a splatter guard that prevents your mixture from splattering everywhere. Okay, this is really helpful. So guys, you can find similar stand mixers on Amazon. The link is in the description box below, so you can check it out. This was just a simple review on my new stand mixer. It is really going to be helpful, and I'm going to be starting a baking video. So guys, you're going to love it, and this is really going to be helpful and it's so perfect at this period. Thank you guys for watching. I really love to see you soon. Until next time guys, bye for now.